Dear friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen hotel location and here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You will find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests to avoid wasting. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Several deals and offers are available along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then contact us by the link we will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box.